look at this Lexmoto LXR SE Carbon Edition. Let's give it a little walk around of the bike. The Lexmoto LXR SE Euro 5 is an evolution of Lexmoto's popular LXR 125, now compliant with the stringent Euro 5 emission standards. This upgrade promises not only a greener ride, but also enhanced performance and features. As a 125cc sports bike, the LXR SE Euro 5 is targeted at new riders and those looking for an affordable entry into the sports bike segment. Let's talk about design and build quality. The Lexmoto LXR SE Euro 5 retains the aggressive and eye-catching design of its predecessor. The bike's full fairing, twin headlamp setup and sharp lines give it a premium appearance. The build quality is impressive for its class, with sturdy materials and a satisfactory level of fit and finish. The overall construction feels robust and reliable. Now, let's talk about the performance and handling. Equipped with a 124.7cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, the LXR SE Euro 5 produces approximately 12.1 horsepower. The Euro 5 compliance has resulted in a more refined engine with reduced emissions and improved fuel efficiency. The bike offers smooth power, making it suitable for urban commuting and leisurely rides. While it won't win any races, the performance is commendable for a 125cc machine. The handling of the LXR SE is a highlight. Its sporty chassis and well-balanced suspension system provide a stable and agile riding experience. The bike handles corners with confidence, and the riding position strikes a good balance between sportiness and comfort. The braking system, featuring front and rear disc brakes, delivers reliable stopping power, enhancing safety. Let's talk about features and technology. For a budget-friendly bike, the Lexmoto LXR SE comes well equipped. The digital instrument cluster is easy to read and provides essential information such as speed, fuel level and gear position. The LED lighting system not only adds to the bike's modern aesthetic, but also improves visibility. The inclusion of features like a pass switch, a gear indicator, and a fuel gauge are practical touches that enhance the overall riding experience. Let's dive into the comfort and ergonomics of the bike. Seating position on the LXR SE is relatively comfortable for a sports bike. The low seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, and the seat itself offers decent padding for short to medium rides. On longer journeys, some riders might find the seat slightly firm, but the overall ergonomics are well considered. The handlebars are positioned to provide a comfortable riding stance that doesn't sacrifice the sporty feel. Let's talk about the bike's value for money. The Lexmoto LXR SE stands out for its value proposition. It offers a stylish, well-equipped, environmentally friendly ride at a fraction of the cost of many of its competitors. For new riders or those on a budget, it provides an excellent entry point into motorcycling without compromising too much on quality or performance. Okay, let's do the roundup. The Lexmoto LXR SE Euro 5 is an attractive option for anyone seeking an affordable yet capable 125cc sports bike. Its blend of modern design, respectable performance and Euro 5 compliance makes it a compelling choice in its class. While it may lack some of the refinement of more expensive bikes, it more than makes up for with its value for money and overall appeal. For new riders or those looking for a budget-friendly sports bike, the LXR SE Euro 5 is a strong contender.